I had completed my postgraduate studies in chemical engineering and started working at a chemical manufacturing company. While eagerly applying my knowledge in creative ways, a client from the paper industry concerned about damage to one of their production line machines. To identify the cause of the damage, I asked him to send me a photo of the affected area. The excess foam generated during pulp production reminded me of my studies on the adverse effect of unwanted foam formation in industrial manufacturing processes. For example, foam prevents tanks from filling with the main material, reducing equipment capacity and production efficiency. Rime foam detection and surface contaminants respectively cause process control disruption and low product quality. Foam overflow and active substances in some antifoams are environmentally harmful. One of practical approaches to combating foam is antifoams, presenting in silicone, non-silicone, polymeric, esteric, and alcoholic categories based on antifoam agents. Despite the widespread use of silicone antifoams, the residue of its polymer, adherence to mixer walls in latex production, and the staining of fabrics indicates its low effectiveness. The solvent properties of ester samples reduce defoaming performance and lead to reaction with industry's production. I've always aspired to be a driving force behind industrial innovations, believing they are heartbeat of today's world and future generations. So I designed a compound antifoam that effectively combines antifoam agents with the mentioned active substances, preserving their beneficial effects while reducing dosage and side effects. Sabshimi is the brand of this innovating product, born out of empathy with industrial challenges and years of scientific research and laboratory experience eliminating foam. Hello, I'm Amin Zandevekili, the founder of Sabshimi Kimyagar & Company in Iran, inventor and proudly an IFB member of IFIA. In the following, I will outline the process of designing and synthesizing a sample of Sabshimi compound antifoam. Challenges of designing this emulsion, considering that it simultaneously contains various types of organic substance within an aqueous environment, mark the key milestones of its innovation. One of the most critical challenges, especially in industrial scale production of it, is the stability of this mixture. To design the emulsion, various parameters were tested and maximized in terms of stability. Due to inverse interaction between some parameters, pairwise and triple overlaps were applied, resulting in the highest overall stability. HLB was another key parameter in its stability. Tests showed an optimal HLB range of 8.5 to 10, enhancing both antifoam performance and stability. Based on this range, emulsifiers were blended and twin and span were selected. Their injection ratio were calculated according to their HLB values. For industrial scalability, the injection dosage should be minimized while maintaining ratio and stability. A major challenge was the slow dissolution rate of the two emulsifiers. To address this, the temperature is maintaining about 50 degrees of centigrade by preheating the initial water. Twin is added first, followed by the span due to the importance of injection order. Mixing time was another key stability parameter, tested across 5 to 40 minutes. Maximum stability was achieved at 25, 30, and 35 minutes. At this stage, due to the compound formulation and addition of active antifoam agents, the previous HLB caused phase separation. Therefore, it was adjusted while maintaining the optimized mixing time. Due to the critical order of addition, food-based methyl ester compounds are added first to enhance relative viscosity and emulsion stability. Then food-based oil and polydimethylsiloxane are added and mixed for 20 minutes as optimal mixing time. In designing this stage, it was essential to inject oil, methyl ester, and polydimethylsiloxane in specific ratio based on the emulsifier's twin and span to prevent rapid phase separation. Through multiple tests, various injection ratios were determined, showing an exponential variation. After 20 minutes, secondary water and ambient temperature is added to enhance emulsification, stability, and antifoaming performance. The mixture is then stirred for 45 minutes. Following this process, the product reaches optimal viscosity and remains stable with excellent performance for 3 to 6 months without using a stabilizer, which decreases its quality. In addition to its high defoaming efficiency, this product can be customized by adjusting parameters in defined ratio to meet the specific needs of various industries, including paper, paint, textile, concrete, and drilling, agrochemicals, and wastewater treatment. Due to its ingredients and formulation, it leaves no pollutant residues and it's highly eco-friendly. The product is also safe to use and can be easily stored in various environments. This antifoam represents a highly economical solution for industries seeking affordability.